You probably think you're a good driver. You keep your car clean, you get the oil changed on time. But what if I told you you're making at least one of these 7 mistakes every day, and it's sending your car to an early grave? From the moment you start the engine to your daily commute, we're about to uncover the common habits that are secretly killing your car. And we're not talking about the obvious stuff. These are the small, seemingly harmless things that millions of drivers do, causing silent wear and tear that leads to expensive failures down the road. Stick around to find out which of these 7 sins you might be committing and how to stop before it's too late. Mistake number 1, revving a cold engine. The first mistake happens right when you start your car. You're in a hurry, so you turn the key and immediately hit the gas. This is one of the worst things you can do. When your car sits, its oil settles in the pan at the bottom. Modern engines lubricate all moving parts in about 30 seconds, but that oil needs a moment to circulate. Revving it hard right away grinds metal parts together that aren't properly lubricated yet, causing major wear over time. The fix is simple. You don't need to idle for long. Most experts agree that 30 seconds is enough time before driving off gently. The engine will warm up faster and more efficiently while you're driving than it ever will just sitting in the driveway. Mistake number 2, ignoring your warning lights. This next one seems obvious, but you'd be amazed how many people do it. Your dashboard lights up and you just keep driving. Those lights are your car's only way to tell you something is wrong. Ignoring a check engine or oil pressure light is like hearing a fire alarm and ignoring it because you don't see smoke yet. What could be a simple sensor fix can quickly snowball into severe engine damage or a critical failure that leaves you stranded. When a warning light comes on, get it checked out as soon as possible. It will always be cheaper to fix the small problem it's warning you about today than the giant one it will become tomorrow. Mistake number 3, delaying fluid changes. If engine oil is your car's lifeblood, then its other fluids, like transmission fluid, brake fluid, and coolant, are just as vital. Many drivers forget that these also break down and get contaminated. For example, dirty transmission fluid can lead to rough shifting and eventually a total transmission failure. Old brake fluid absorbs moisture, which reduces your stopping power and can corrode brake lines from the inside out. Neglecting your coolant can cause it to become corrosive, leading to overheating and a blown head gasket, a seriously expensive repair. Check your fluids monthly and follow your owner's manual schedule for having them flushed and replaced. If you've already realized you're guilty of one of these, do us a favor and hit that like button. It helps us know we're on the right track. And if you want to keep saving money on car repairs, be sure to subscribe for more tips like these. Mistake number 4, being careless with the shifter. This one is for both automatic and manual drivers. If you have an automatic, have you ever shifted from reverse to drive while the car is still rolling backward? This common habit puts a massive strain on your transmission. You're forcing the transmission to do the work of the brakes, which can cause serious damage to the drivetrain. Always come to a complete stop before switching between reverse and drive. For manual drivers, resting your hand on the gear shifter or riding the clutch are habits that will wear out your components much faster than they should. Mistake number 5, forgetting tire maintenance. Your tires are the only part of your car that actually touches the road, but they're also one of the most neglected parts. Driving on improperly inflated tires is a huge mistake. Underinflated tires don't just wear out unevenly, they also hurt your fuel economy and make your car handle poorly, which is a major safety issue. Remember, tire pressure can drop by about 1 psi for every 10-degree drop in temperature, so you should check your pressure every month. Forgetting to rotate your tires also causes uneven wear, forcing you to buy a new, expensive set much sooner than necessary. Mistake number 6, riding the brakes. Are you a driver who rests their foot on the brake pedal, especially in traffic or on a long downhill road? This habit, known as riding the brakes, is a silent killer for your brake system. It generates constant heat, which wears out your brake pads and rotors way too quickly. In serious cases, the heat can even warp the rotors or boil your brake fluid, leading to a loss of braking power right when you need it most. Instead of riding the brakes, keep a safe following distance and on long downhills shift to a lower gear to let the engine help with braking. Mistake number 7. Overloading your vehicle. Finally, every car has a maximum load capacity for a reason. Our last deadly habit is ignoring it. Piling your car high with heavy items puts extra strain on just about everything: the engine, transmission, suspension, and brakes. Your engine has to work harder, which can lead to overheating. Your gas mileage will plummet, and your suspension components will wear out much faster. Before you decide to move a room's worth of furniture or load up for a huge trip, check your owner's manual for the vehicle's load limit. Your car will thank you, so be honest. How many of these are you guilty of? The good news is that every single one is easy to fix. By making a few small tweaks to your driving routine, you can prevent a ton of unnecessary wear, save thousands in repair bills, and add years to your car's life. Drive smarter, not harder, and your car will stay healthy on the road for a long, long time.